Today's plan, we installing Java on CachyOS, hopefully launching SKlauncher on CachyOS, and hopefully getting to play a Minecraft game if we get SKlauncher to launch. Fingers crossed. What is SKlauncher, you ask? Good question. In a very simple terms, it's a launcher where you can play Minecraft. I won't say for free. So now that we're on the desktop of our CachyOS, let's open up terminal. Okay, so now that we're in terminal, let's type in the following command to install Java. So let's now type in sudo pacman dash capital S JDK 25 dash open JDK. That will allow us to install Java. And if it does ask you to click or to type Y, you just press Y and enter to install Java. So next we need to install or download the SKlauncher. So all we need to do is open up a browser. Mine is Firefox. So I'll open up Firefox. Once Firefox is open, we can search for SKlauncher. It should be the first website you see, but if you don't see it, it should be the second one, obviously. But if you don't want to look for it and can't find it, I will leave the links in the pinned comment or in the description below. Okay, so finally, if you manage to get to the SKlauncher website, all you need to do is click on downloads and then close whatever ad pop-ups that comes on the website. That's how they make their money. Um, and then click on the Java version. If we scroll down, we click on Linux first, and then click on the Java version. And it shouldn't take too long to install or download. Sorry, download. So once the SKlauncher is done downloading, we can head back to terminal. Just a full disclosure, I normally do it this way because I found most success by going to terminal, launching it that way. But you should be able just to double click on the SKlauncher in your downloads folder and it should launch. But I do it this way, so if you want to, you can do it this way. Okay, now that terminal is open, we just need to type in the first command, which is cd, where the where SKlauncher is downloaded. Mine is in the download folder. So I'll type in cd downloads and then press enter. The second command we can type in will be java dash SKlauncher dash 3.2.18.jar. We can now press enter, and in a few seconds you'll see a whole lot of things running on your terminal, and a pop-up will appear. It will give us the SKlauncher login screen. Now on the login screen, you'll see you can either create an offline login or online login. I am not really worried about an online login. I'm just going to use an offline login, so I'll create one, and I'll click on log on or login offline. So now that you're in Minecraft, you'll see now, like you'll see latest release or play. Congratulations if we got all the way to here. Now let's test if we can open up a Minecraft game by clicking on the latest release and then click on play. And success, we finally got into Minecraft. So now we can create a game. We can test some if everything is working fine. I'm just going to create a new world, and then you can just see some gameplay. I doubt it'll be sound or anything like that. Yeah, so congratulations. Okay, we reached the end of this video. If you got this far, you're a Minecraft legend, so give this video a like. If you want to be a bigger legend, you can start give me a like or subscribe. Thanks for watching. Till the next video. Bye bye.